This roll-on bed liner from J-B Weld lays down a very thick, rubberized coating that feels noticeably tougher than most do-it-yourself options once cured. The kit is genuinely complete, with the gallon of coating, rollers, brush, and prep pads so you can go from bare metal to protected surface without hunting for extra tools. Its textured finish adds real grip underfoot and under cargo, helping keep loads from sliding while also resisting chipping and peeling when you drag gear across it. I appreciate that it bonds well to a wide range of materials beyond truck beds, including wood, concrete, and fiberglass, which makes it useful for trailers, ramps, and shop projects. When applied over a properly scuffed and clean surface, it seals tightly enough to slow down rust and stands up well to gasoline, oil, and common automotive chemicals. The application process is straightforward for a patient do-it-yourself user, and the end result looks uniform and professional once it has fully cured.